videos. Okay. So net is not slow. Just turn on the videos. Still many I cannot see. Open the video and see. You cannot see. Still many of them. Because when you are on the videos, I can recognize all. So when you are sending messages or record class or any other information, I can understand. When you're off and sit, I won't recognize because many students are there. No, that's why I'm asking. If I am seeing you face to face, it will more easy for me to recognize. So today we are going to discuss squares, okay? How to find squares, and after that we'll go to the square root, then we'll back to the cube. So squares. For finding the squares, there are many methods are there in Vedic maths. Okay, around 3 to 5 methods are there. So from that we are learning one or two methods. So if you feel first method is a little tough, you can go for the next method. So it's not necessary to stick on one method in finding square. Which method you feel easy, you can do that method. Okay, there are many methods are there squares. And what my suggestion is, even though we have many methods, just at least just find the first 20 square number by heart. Okay, that means 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, then 36, 49, right? 64, like this. At least first 20, 11 square 121, 12 square 144, 169, 196, 225, 16 square 256, 17 square 289, 18 square 324, 19 square 361, 20 square 400. At least 20 square you should buy heart. Okay? It will help to doing problem very faster. Okay? If you can study up to 25, or at least first 20 square you have to buy heart. It will be easy for you. Okay? So first, we are starting with one specific method for finding the squares ending with the 5. That maybe all of you know that is easy method. Squares end with the 5. Okay, you can write the heading. Squares end with the 5. Squares end with the 5. Example, I am telling us 25 square. Squares end with the 5. 25 square. whatever the squares, end with 5, the last number will be 25. Suppose 25 square, 35 square, 45 square. Whatever the number we are taking the square, last number will be 25. There is no change. Okay. Whatever the number we are doing the square, 20 last number will be 25. Here also last number will be 25. Last number will be 25. Next step is very easy. If the number is 2, that number into the number after 2. Right? The number after 2 is 3. 2 3s are 6. The answer is 625. 2 3s are 6. The answer is 625. 2 3s are 6. The answer is 625. Now, see this number. This number is 3. Right? After 3, the number is 4. After 3, the number is 4. So 3 4s are 12. So 1225. 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. Now we can write. Can you check this number? What number will come? 4 into. The number after 4 is 5. Number after 4 is 5. 5. 4 5s are 20. So 2025. 2025. 2025. 2025. So I hope it's easy. Last number always with the 25. Take that number and next number multiply. If 3 means 3 and 4. 4 means 4 and 5. Right? So I'll give. In case three-digit number. In case if it's come three-digit number. Same method will apply. 25. Last always 25. Last always 25. If you remove this 5, it is 11. Right? If you remove this 5, it is 11. The number after 11 is 12. Number after 11 is 12. 11 into 12. 11 into 12 is 132. So 13225. 11 into 12 is 132. Right? 11 into 12 is 132. So 13225 is the answer. 13225. Okay. This method we should learn. So the advantage of this method I will tell you, when you find the square root, when you are finding the square root, that time this method will help you. Okay. So advantage of this method I will tell you when you find square root. So I'll give the two numbers just to find less than 10 seconds. Okay. 75 square, 85 square, 125 square. Just try to find fast. Yes. Yeah, I hope all are getting answer. Yes. 25. 25, 25. After 7, 8. 8 sevens are 56. 9, 22, 13. Take your answer. 5625, 5625, 7225, 15625, 15625. After 12, next number is 13. 12 into 13. 15625. So don't forget this method. This method we need in finding square root also. Okay, always remember how to find square. Now I'm going to explain you how to find squares of a number between 25 and 75. How to find squares of a number between 25 and 75. In case if you feel this method is tough, no problem. We will do in another method also. Okay? So this for information between number 25 and 75. One of the method how to find squares of a number between 25 and 75. For particular this method, I am just giving one hint. Just remember 25 plus or minus 10. For your information, just remember 25 plus or minus 10. 25 plus or minus 10. Okay? 25 plus or minus 10. So between 25 and 75, I am taking one number 53. We'll do all numbers. I'm just taking one number 52. So 53 square. 53 square. Between 25 and 75, you should remember that between 25 and 75, you should remember that base is 50. Base is 50. Just remember the method because you see the middle number. Middle number is 50. 25 and 75. Base is 50. Okay. This base is 50. So when we take 53 square, when we take 53 square, it is plus 3. 50 plus 3 only 53 comes, right? When it 53 means 50 plus 3, right? So meantime we'll take one more. If we take 48 square, you should write minus 2. 50 minus 2. This number's number. So base is 50. Okay. Remember the base. If you take 53, we'll write plus 3. If you write 48, you will write minus 2. 50 minus 2. That number only. Base is 50. Okay. Base is 50. Now we need this number only. We need this number only. Your answer almost we got the answer. If you know this number, almost we got the answer. Okay. What you do is just remember this 25. Just remember this 25. 25 plus 3. This 25 plus 3. 25 plus 3 is 28. 25 plus 3 is 28. 25 plus 3 is 28. Understood? 53 means 50 plus 3. 53 means 50 plus 3. Okay. Then I told you 25 plus 10. 25. Just take this 25. 25 plus 3 is 28. Now what I'll do? Just square this number. 3 square is 9. So don't write 9. Always 2 digits. Always 2 digits. So 0, 9. Always 2 digits. So 09. So your answer is 2809. You can check. Your answer is 2809. Your answer is 2809. This only remember this always two digits. When we square, it should be two digits. If there are three digits, should carry. That you will do. Okay? This number always two digits. So here square, just add. So two step I am doing. You remember first 25 plus 3. 25 plus 3 is 28. Then 3 square 09. These two steps we are doing. These two steps only we are doing. These two steps only we are doing. So this number is important. That number is important for finding square. Same step I am checking. Okay. Now it is easy for you to do. Now it is easy for you to do. Now see, this is minus 2. This is minus 2. Here I told 25 plus or minus. So 25 minus 2. Here minus 2. So 25 minus 2. So you can write 23. You can write 23. 25 minus 2 is 23. 25 minus 2 is 23. Now 2 square. 2 square is 4. You can write 0, 4. You can write 0, 4. You can write 0, 4. So I hope the answer is clear. 2304. 2304. So only two things you should remember. Okay, how far it's from 50, then it is easy for you. We will do it more bigger number. $62. 62. I'm writing plus 12. Is it correct? Plus 12. 50 plus 12, 62. 50 plus 12, 52. Right? 50 plus 12, 52. Now, I'm bringing my out 25. Don't forget this 25. 25 plus 12. 25 plus 12. 25 plus 12. 37. This is 12 only, right? 25 plus 12 is 37. 12 square. 12 square. I told you, possible try to by heart till 15 or 20. Okay, 12 square is 144. 12 square is 144. 12 square is 144. Then one thing I told her, this always two digits. This always two digits. So this one should carry. This one should carry. This one should carry. So 3844. 3844. Your answer is 3844. 3844. Please try 39 square. Everyone try 39 square. 39 square. There are other methods are there that you will learn, okay? If in particular method you have confusion, no problem, we will do another method. But this is little easy. 39 square. Less than 10 seconds. Like you are getting 1521. 1521. Getting 1521. Check 1521. Yes. Yes, many are getting 1521. Main thing is minus 11. Okay. Main thing is minus 11. Because 39. 50 minus 11 only 39. Main thing is minus 11. We got minus 11. Answer is okay. See, minus 11. Minus 11. Bring your 25. 25 minus 11. 25 minus 11. 14. 25 minus 11 is 14. 11 square 121. 11 square 121. I told you only two digits. So third digit should carry. So 1521. 1521. 1521. Okay. So, but try to don't forget between 25 and 75 number only we can do this method. Okay. Between 25 and this is specific method between the number 25 and 75. Try to question 57 square 45 44 square 61 square. Just try to find 57 square 44 square 61 square. I hope all are getting answer. Right? Madhav, Madhav. Yes, many are getting. Others just little more practice. I think all are getting right. Here plus 7. Right? So no need now you can keep in mind, no need to calculate. 57 is plus 7. So 25 plus 7 is 32. 32. So 7 square is 49. See? 3249. Right? 3249. Minus 6. Let's see the number. 44 means minus 6. Right? 44 means minus 6. So 25 minus 6. 25 minus 6 is 19. Now 6 square is 36. 1936. 1936. Right? Within one step. So 61. 61 is 11 plus 11. 61 is plus 11. 25 plus 11. 36. 11 square is 121. I told you two digits. So take this one. 3721. 3721. 3721. Right? So, say only Less time only taking. You are not taking that minimum 3 seconds or 4 seconds. It will take. So just take any number between 25 and 75 and try to apply this method. Just remember the number, how much far from 50, plus 11 or plus 7 or like that. Or just then it bring your 25, just add it and find. Okay. So next I am telling squares between 75 and 125. This is 25 and 75. Next is between 75 and 125. Between 75 and 125. 75 and 125. 75 and 122. Almost the same method. Here we are not taking 25 plus and 20. That one not taking. Base will change. Previously I told you base is 50 because 50 is the middle. So here clearly you can see that base is 100. You can see that base is 100 because middle is 100, right? So I'm just writing base 100. Base is 100. Previous question we are writing base is 50 because between 25 and 75, 50 will come. So here 75 and 125. So I'm taking base is 100. Okay. So one question 103. 103 square. 103 square. So previously from 50 plus. So here obviously 103 plus 3. 100 plus 3. 103 means 100 plus 3. 103 means 100 plus 3. Okay. Now, no need to take 25 plus and all here. What you have to do is this 100, this 103 is here, right? This 103 plus 3. Just add these two numbers. 103 plus 3 is 106. 103. This plus 3 is 106. Next step is same. 3 square. 3 square is 9. Right? Just 0, 9. This step is same. This step is same. 3 square is 0, 9. So your answer is 10609. 10609. 10609. Check any doubt is there? Once again I'll explain you. Previously from 50, here from 100. So 103 means plus 3. Last step is same 09. Previously we are doing 25 plus 3. Here don't take 25. Instead of 25, take the same number. Take the same number. So first what we have to do? Same number plus, first what you are doing is same number plus 3. Same number plus 3. Then you are taking 3 square. 3 square. Okay. So same number we have to add. Same number we have to add. Okay. Same number adding. We are adding the same number. Then you are taking the square. Then you are taking the square. Okay. I'll give one question. 97 square. 97 square. Hundred. 100 minus 3, right? So remember, minus 3. I hope all are getting minus 3. Minus. Same number. Here not adding, subtracting. 97 minus 3. 97 minus 3 is 94. 97 minus 3 is 94. 97 minus 3 is 97 minus 3 is 94. Now this number square, 3 square, 0, 9, 9, right? 0, 9. Your answer is 9409. Your answer is 9409. Okay. Your answer is 9409. So it's very easy. First you check how much deviated from 100. This is minus 3 and 97 minus 3. Then just take the square. Then just take the square. So here no need to bring 25. Just the all numbers are here. 97 minus 3. Then 3 square. That only. 89 square. 89 square. 89 square. Check 100 minus which number? 100 minus which number? 100 minus 11, right? 100 minus 11. 100 minus 11. You can see that 100 minus 11. Now 89 minus 11. Here it's the 11 is there. So 89 minus 11. Just do 89 minus 11. 89 minus 11 is 78. 89 minus 7 is 78. When we take 11 square, it is 121. 11 square, it is 121. When you take 11 square, it is 121. I told her only 2 digits. So take that 1 2 here. Take this 1 2 here. This one, carry to here. So 7921. Your answer should be 7921. Your answer should be 7921. Seven, nine, two, one. You can try one more. 1, 1, 12. 112. You can try 112. We hope you are getting answer. Plus 12. Plus 12. 112 plus 12. 134. 12 square is 144. Carry 1. 12544. 12544. 12544. I'll give some question. Try to find less than 10 seconds. Okay. Try to do less than 10 seconds. 94 square. 107 square, 101 square, 87 square, 94, 107, 101, 87. Check all are getting answer or not. Yes. I hope all are getting. Right? Yeah, many are getting. I'm not doing. Because already we know the answer. So this method we are doing till 125. We can continue this method. Then we can do 125 to 175. Like that we can do. This method we can extend. So now next time I'm going to teach another method. Okay, how to find square. That method I will teach you. First you find how to find a square. Not like that 25, 75. Not like that. First any how many two-digit number. How to find a square of a two-digit number. Then how to find a square of a three-digit number. Okay. In school level you will get mainly three-digit only. Four-digit rare case only it will come. Okay. Maximum three-digit only. So till 999 how to find square. That method we will learn. So now we are going to find the square of a two-digit number and a three-digit number. So first square of a two-digit number, general method. Square of a two-digit number, general method. Square of a two-digit number. Square of a two-digit number, general method. Square of a two-digit number, general method. 57 square. Square of a two-digit number, general method. 57 square. This method is easy. Okay. I'm just writing three parts. Okay, three parts like one, two. Okay, I'm just writing three parts. Now what I'm going to do is here 7 square. 7 square is 49. You know 7 square is 49. 7 square is 49. Here 5 square. 5 square is 25. 5 square is 25. Okay. So last number square, first number square. Here what I am going to do is, see which are the number you are seeing on board is 5, 7, 2. These three number you are seeing board, right? 5, 7 and 2. Just multiply all that number. 5 into 7 into 2. 5 into 7 into 2. Just multiply all that number. 5 into 7. 5 sevens are 35. 35 into 2, 70. Okay, so we are getting 70. 5 into 7 into 2. 5 into 7 into 2. Okay. And you should remember one thing. When you are writing here, this should be single digit. Okay, single digit. Single digit. This both should be single digit. So what is the meaning of that? The next number should carry here. Next number should carry here. That only. Next number should carry here. Okay. So I am writing 9. First number is 9. We'll carry 4 to here. I'll carry 4 to next step. I'll carry 4 to next step. So it becomes 4. I'll carry 7 to here. I will carry 7 to here. So 25 plus 7 is 32. 25 plus 7 is 32. So 3, 2, 4, 9. Here no problem, okay? Carry one number, carry one number. So 3, 2, 4, 9. 3, 2, 4, 9. So once again I will explain you. First number, this number square. Middle what you have to do is multiply all the number. 5 into 7 into 2, 70. Just keep one digit, carry the next one. Carry, carry. That only you are doing. Okay. Just keep the one digit and next number is carry. So 3, 2, 4, 9. We'll do 2, 3 questions, so we'll get the practice. Okay. I'm just doing 32 square. 32 square. 32 square. Nine, 4. Here 4 means no need to write 0, 4 because already one digit, right? I thought this should be one digit. So already one digit, so no need to write again. Already 2 square is 4. So always remember, whenever getting square, just take the square of first and last number. Then here 3 into 2, 6. 6 into 2 is 12. 3 into 2 is 6. 6 into 2 is 12. So here no problem, only one digit. Here only 2 only keep. One move to this side. Here keep 2 only. When one move, 9 plus 1, 10. When one move, 9 plus 1, 10. So 1024. 1024. Right? So this method is easy. Any two-digit number, any number we can do by this method. Any two-digit number. 83 square. 83 square. 83 square. 83 square. within 5 seconds. To get within 5 seconds. Check. Yes, many are getting. Right? Nine and 64. 9 and 64. Yeah. 8 threes are 24. 8 threes are 24. 24 double. 24 double is 48. 8 threes are 24. 24. Here nothing to carry. Nothing to carry. Here you should carry 4. 6, 8, 8, 9. 6, 8, 8, 9. 6, 8, 8, 9. I hope this method is clear. Square, square, multiply. Keep one digit, carry the next number. Okay. So any square number inside 100, any two-digit square number, we can find this method. Okay. I'll give some more numbers. Try to find it fast. Okay. 72 square. 72 square. 89 square. 44 square. 91 square. 26 square. 17 square. 6 numbers. Yes, someone are already finished. Sneha finished. Devika, Justin, Daniel, Fatima, Eden, Sakina, Nandan, Raghav, Yash, Sabir, Bharat, Ishan, Ruben, Shiva, Peter, Sina, all are getting right. Yes, Niveda, Madhav. So one or two I will explain. I think one of it is the answer. Not that much difficult. I will just explain 39. 39 will explain you and 44 will explain for you. 39. 3 square is 9. 81. 3 square is 9. 9 square is 81. 9 threes are 27. 27 into 2, 54. 9 threes are 27. 27 into 54. Just carry. Carry you will get. In 44 also try. Now this one, another method is there. Okay. Same model, another method is there. That I will teach you, but the same model, one 3-digit number you just check. Okay, 3 digits. So you can write the heading 3-digit number. 3-digit number. Square of a 3-digit number. Square of a 3-digit number. Square of a 3-digit number. I hope the previous method is clear. The 39 square, I think clear. Don't confuse. Okay, 39 square is difficult. Don't confuse with that. 9, 81, 54. So just carry this number. Okay. When we carry 8, it will become 12. So 1, here 2 will come. When we carry 8, it will become 12. Okay, 2. Then 1 will become 6. 1 becomes 6. That 6 should carry. 9 plus 6, 15. Okay, 1521 is the getting answer, right? When we do that, 1521 is getting answer, right? Don't confuse, okay, previous one. Because when we carry 8, it will become 12. 8 plus 4 is 12. That only writing here. Then 1 should carry here. 1 should carry here. Okay, 1 should carry here. Then it will become 6. Then 9 plus 6 is 15. Okay, don't confuse that one. Okay, just 2 times carrying 12, then 1 carrying, then again 1 carrying, 1 6, that 6 carrying here. Okay, okay. Now we have less time, so 3-digit one question we'll do, remaining we'll do next class. Okay, so 3-digit just take care like this. Take the two numbers, one group. This two number, one group. This number separate. Last two number one go. This number separate. Same step. Same step. 4, 16. It's about 3 digit, okay? It's about 3 digit number. 4 and 16. Okay, now you see multiplication. 2, don't multiply 2 into 0. 2 into 0 is 0. Don't multiply 0. 2 into 4. 2 fours are 8. 8 twos are 16. Okay. Steps are same. This number is 16. This number is same. Don't multiply 2 into 0. 2 fours are 8. 8 twos are 16. Okay. Only one thing. Previously I told here 1 digit. Okay. Now I am telling here 2 digits. 2 digits. Keep 2 digits there. Don't carry. If 3 digit is there, we will carry 2 digits. So your answer is 41616. Your answer is 41616. That's only the difference. Don't carry. Keep 2 digits there because we are doing with the 3 digit. Keep 2 digits there. Okay. If there are 3 digits, we'll carry. Otherwise, don't carry. Okay. If we are 3 digits, so one more we'll do. Then we'll do next class. One more we'll do. We'll do one more number. 213. 213. For understanding your carrying step. 213. Keep last two number. And don't see the mistake maybe all we will make. Don't multiply 2 into 1. Okay. Last time, no. I told you don't multiply 2 into 0 because I mark like this 0 4. That means 2 into 4. Okay. If you multiply 2 into 0, it becomes 0 only. So you multiply, do the first step. 4, 169. First and last step we can do. 2 square is 4. This is 13 square. This is 13 square, 169. First and last step. Okay. 13 square, 169. 2 square 4. Here, don't multiply 2 into 1 into 3. Not do like that. 2 into 13. 2 because I told you this is marked as 1. So 2 into 13. You should multiply 2 into 13. 2 into 13 is 26. 26 multiplied to 2. 26 into 2. So you'll get 52. 52. Take your answer. 2 into 13. Now it is easy. I told you only 2 digits. So third digit carry. Third digit carry. So your answer should be 6 9 carry here 5 3 4 4 5 3 6 9 4 5 3 6. Okay, so carry the third digit, then it's easy. So two things you should remember. Don't multiply 2 into 1 into 3. 2 into 13. You should multiply 2 into 13. Okay, then 2D 2D. More question we will practice next class. 3 digit higher numbers, 500, 600, that numbers we will practice next class. Okay. So just check. I think today's portion is little easy, only square the numbers, but this will help you finding square roots. Okay. I hope there is no doubt. So next Thursday. Okay.